Good Sunday morning, carpet cleaning world. It's your administrator, Roger Lloyd. And on YouTube, it's your YouTube's carpet cleaners consultant, Roger Douglas Lloyd. Now, ladies and gentlemen, it's Sunday, December 29th. Time is up. Why is time up? Time is up because you only have to 9 o'clock this evening to register for the Carpet Cleaning World University event that is taking place on March 4th and 5th. Now, yes, you can still register after that as long as there's some availability, and there is, but it's going to be $350 if you call today before 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can still register for the Carpet Cleaning World University event that's coming up here in Reading, Pennsylvania on March 4th and 5th. That's a Tuesday and a Wednesday. It's going to be at the Restoration Technical Institute. Now, let me talk to you about money real quick. A lot of you may say, I'm thinking about it. I still might go. I might not. Let me explain to you. $100 is $100. $100 is an upsell. Imagine if somebody just gave you $100 today, how you could pay something off. No, it's not a lot of money, but it'll pay something. It's about saving. It's about thinking intelligently. This is not something that you need to think about. If you want to grow your business, if you want to test out the latest equipment and truck-mounted technology and portable technology and low moisture technology, I think because you always see me in my truck mount, with my truck mount, you're misunderstood and you believe that, oh, Roger, he's just a truck mount guy. No, ladies and gentlemen, I'm a professional carpet cleaning guy, a professional steam cleaning guy. So let me tell you something. There will be truck mount demonstrations, and more than demonstrations. You will be able to get behind a wand with a truck mount so you can feel the difference. You can absorb the difference. We will put you in front of my truck mounted machine, my steam action to be exact truck mounted machine. So you can see, I had a guy at the last event say, you know what, Roger, I'm just sticking with low moisture. I said, why is that? He said, because, Roger, I'm just scared of a truck mount. He's actually a neighbor. He's actually one of my competitors right here in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. And I said, you know what, buddy, I'm not going to put his name out there because we're good friends and he didn't give me permission. I said, you're missing out. You're missing out. I said, what are you going to do when you have a pet stain, a pet accident, a house that you hit the front door and it smells like urine from the door? What are you going to rub that out? What are you going to encapsulate that out? No, ladies and gentlemen, you need to put down the right enzymes and the right peroxides and the right biocide and deodorizer so you can get that odor out of there. And then if it's in the pad, you really want to do some things. And we're going to show you and teach you and talk about that. Now, that's about low moisture versus truck mount. Now, there is a place, and we're going to show you low moisture. We're going to show you low moisture with the Phoenix, one of the most modern pieces of equipment and encapsulation cleaning today. We're going to show you on a low pile commercial carpet how we believe that you can low moisture commercial carpet and do a very decent job. I like to show you the brush and bonnet method. You have to come to the Carpet Cleaning World University on March 4th and 5th to understand and see the equipment that I would use to recommend for that. Now, portable versus truck mount. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. A lot of you are buying into portables because portables are way cheaper than a truck mount. Instead of itemizing and strategizing and saving up, which we will be teaching you how to do at this event too, 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏 from 𝗟LMA Services will help coach you if you're coachable and if you're ready to really maximize and take your business to the next level. Sammy Sales will be there to demonstrate the steam action truck mounted equipment and the steam action chemical line. DeAndre Winston, Soap Daddy Chemicals, will be there to explain to you about chemical science and how chemistry, how to mix chemicals and so forth, and the alkalines versus the peroxides and enzymes and things like that. You need that whether you're doing truck mounted or portable hot water extraction. All of this will be at this event. This is at the beginning of the year. I strategized and did it at the beginning of March because you know what? The mid-March or the end of March, when April gets here, is when we start, when Easter normally comes, is when I start picking up. So if we get you certified on, yes, and you'll get a certification at this event, you're going to get a Carpet Cleaning World University training certificate. Hey, Roger, what is that? Let me tell you something. Why would you want that? Because if you go bid a carpet cleaning commercial job, if you're giving a client an estimate, a residential client, and they ask you the one famous question that I've been asked for over 30 years, 3 decades, why should I do business with you? Because I took the time and I paid and I got trained, not on just truck mounted hot water extraction, not just on portable hot water extraction, and not on low moisture. I got trained in all methods of carpet cleaning that there is. So I can make sure I can give you the best job possible. And you better believe, even on a residential level, that means everything to a client to know that, because they don't trust us. There's too many guys out here running around saying they're professional carpet cleaners or they have a machine and they think that people just don't know. People don't know. But I'll tell you this, people don't go shopping around for a carpet cleaner. Oh, no, they don't. If they find a good one, they will stay with you. I'm giving you my word on that. It's from my experiences. I have people that have been with me for years. All right. Early bird special ends today. $250. You need to respond to me by messenger today if you want to only pay the $250. We're staying at the Hampton Inn in Reading, a mile away from the Restoration Technical Institute, where all this is happening. And I got a deal with you there. It's only $99 a night. So listen to me. For $450, that's including your hotel stay and the event. Under $500, you can come to this 2-day event, get certified for training in all methods of carpet cleaning, and head back to wherever your respectable place is in the world. This is the carpet cleaning world. So wherever you're at, you can sign up and you can come. We welcome you. We welcome you. We've had people come from the UK. We've had people come from all over in previous events. You need to be here. You want to be here. $100. Save yourself $100. Get to this event. Start 2025 off right. Let's make carpet cleaning great again. There are so many things that I'm going to share with you amongst Chris Howell, Sammy Sales, DeAndre Winston, Antoine Evans, 𝗂𝗍𝗄𝗏, and a few others. We want to share with you some new ways to make sure you're thriving in your steam cleaning business. I want you to get away from saying carpet cleaning, steam cleaning, because whether you have a portable or a truck mount, your steam, you do so much more than carpets. And that makes a big difference. And we're going to go over that in the class so you can maximize on your dollars, on your profits. You can message me now. We're taking payments through Cash App or Venmo. So once you message me and we talk for a minute, make sure you have all the information so you can book your hotel and everything. All you got to do, if you have to get a flight, you want to go ahead and book your flight now for, I guess, so you can arrive on the 4th. And it's on the 4th and 5th, which is a Tuesday and Wednesday. On Thursday, on Wednesday after the 5th, you can head back to the airport or jump in your car or however you're going to get here and head back. And you'll be so happy and chalked and full of knowledge and experience, and you'll see all you would have got to play with all the new technology to date, even if you're not going to do it, even if you're not going to do low moisture, even if you're not going to buy a portable. You chose this industry. It did not choose you. Get to the Carpet Cleaning World University event on March 4th and 5th in Reading, Pennsylvania at the Restoration Technical Institute. You can do all of this by registering today to save your $100. Time is up. You only got today. You only got today till 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So if you're Pacific Time, you only got till 6 p.m. this evening. Get registered. Get here. Get certified, trained by the Carpet Cleaning World University. Meet great names and owners and truck mount manufacturers like Sammy Sales. Meet DeAndre Winston, chemist, senior chemist of Soap Daddy Chemicals. Meet Chris Howell, the world's leading color restorer and carpet and rugs in the world. Meet Janae Rowley Lloyd. You don't think you need to know anything? She will shock you with her experience on how to gain customer retention, how to make sure that your customer relationship management is intact. So once you get a client, you'll be able to maximize on making money with them. That's the trick. Not always getting new clients, ladies and gentlemen. Antoine Evans, Pro One Distributor. You need to make sure that your vans or work vehicles are running to optimum performance. He has a line of chemicals to put in your oil, to put in your gas, to lubricate our equipment. Pro One is second to none. I love my Pro One additives. Well, that's it. The rest is up to you. Message me today. Let's get you these links. Let's get you registered. Now, like I said, if you're somebody that's just a late bloomer and you want to spend that extra $100, you can still register. But after 9 o'clock Eastern Standard Time today, Sunday, December 29th, the early bird special is over. Don't waste this. Save your $100. For $450 instead of $550, you'll be able to pay for your hotel stay and you'll be able to pay for the event. Now, Roger, but I'm going to need to eat. No, you don't. We're going to take care of your lunch both days. At the Hampton Inn, they give you a great continental breakfast to get you started. And then if you're one of those people that just got to munch on something, then you bring a couple extra dollars so you can buy stuff. There's a Redner's gas station with a they have the grill and everything in there. They sell everything from hot sandwiches to pizza to all types of stuff if you just want to walk over there because you're still hungry. But we're going to feed you lunch, a good lunch, a healthy, hearty lunch. You get your breakfast and your coffee from the Hampton Inn before we get started. But coffee and beverages will be offered throughout the day free of charge at the event both days. Well, that's the pitch. That's the offer. The rest of it's up to you. It always was, and it always will be. You need to message me today. Let me get you registered. Get ready to pay through PayPal, Cash App or Venmo. We'll get you the code so you can call and register and book your room at the Hampton Inn. And then we will see you on March 4th and 5th. We really want to see you. And you'll be shocked and so happy that you came. I'm going to say that again. You'll be shocked and so happy that you came. We've never had one person in the last 5 years that came to any of our Carpet Cleaning World University events and said that this wasn't worth it. Thank you. I'll be waiting and checking my messenger throughout this Sunday. And if not, you can still register. It'll be $350 anytime after 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time today, Sunday, December 29th. Thank you and enjoy your last Sunday of 2024. This is the last Sunday of 2024. Make it count. I'll be checking my messenger so we can make sure you're registered for this event of March 4th and 5th, March 4th and 5th, 2025. Thank you. Enjoy your last Sunday of 2024.